Welcome to JH. Have you heard of TurboDetailModels.com? It claims to be a premier online store for collectible model cars and automotive replicas, which sounds like a dream for enthusiasts until you actually look under the hood. The real question is whether this store is actually legit or just a high-speed wreck. Let's start with the reviews, which on platforms like Trustpilot are about as pleasant as a flat tire. Customers are reporting consistent nightmares, ranging from misleading product descriptions to low-quality models that look nothing like the advertised pictures. Because nothing says premium collectible, like a plastic toy that looks like it was painted by a toddler in a dark room. Some buyers received smaller models than ordered, completely different colors, or even entirely different cars. The site even has a large option where they claim to pick the biggest size available, but they conveniently offer zero replacements or refunds when that large model fits in the palm of your hand. It's a bold business strategy to redefine the metric system just to avoid a refund, but here we are. Many reviewers have pointed out that these aren't the handcrafted items the store promises, but rather cheaply made, mass-produced junk. Customer service is equally non-existent, leaving frustrated buyers shouting into a digital void while the company hides behind a strict no-refund policy. Transparency is another massive red flag, as there is absolutely no information regarding the founder or ownership of the site. Trying to find out who runs this business is more difficult than finding a parking spot in downtown London on a Saturday. Without a face to the name, there's nobody to hold accountable when your order goes missing. Then there are the classic high-pressure marketing tactics, featuring 70% off deals and ticking countdown timers designed to make you panic buy. It's the digital equivalent of a guy in a trench coat telling you he's got a limited-time offer on designer watches. Finally, their support is limited to a single email address, no phone number, no live chat, and no physical address to be found. This makes resolving issues nearly impossible and is definitely not the hallmark of a trustworthy business. So is TurboDetailModels.com legit? Honestly, with the consistent negative feedback, lack of transparency, and aggressive sales tactics, it looks like a total scam. It's much safer to keep your money in your wallet and stay far away from this store. Thanks for watching till the end. If you want more honest reviews and updates that actually tell it like it is, hit that subscribe button and stay informed.